Hi everybody, Trevor Knesal here with Next Home Treasure Valley. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to give you a quick peek at a home I'll be hosting an open house at this coming Saturday from 1:30 until 4:45 in the afternoon. I'm in the Eagle Springs subdivision in northwest Boise. Very cool, very quiet location. Access to foothills trails are right down the street. Try to give you a quick peek here. Just on the other side of those houses across the street are the foothills and the trail system there for hiking and bike riding, all kinds of fun stuff. Super quiet area. We're right down the street also from the Eagle Bike Park, which is a very fun place to ride mountain bikes, BMX bikes, and you can hike there too. Nice covered deck in the backyard. Place it back there for the kids. Very nice kitchen, stainless steel appliances, gas range, and granite countertops. It's got these floating, suspended, swinging bar stools here. The home is very spacious. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3 stories, 2-story with a finished basement. There's 2 bedrooms downstairs and a couple other rooms down there. I'll show you one other very cool feature before I sign off here. In the garage, if you happen to have a crew cab, long bed truck, or maybe you drive a limousine, this garage, they're calling it a 4-car garage, but it measures 36 by 38 feet. And it has the pass-through door in the back there. It is huge. Double wide bay there and a single there, but they're very deep. You'd have no trouble fitting about any vehicle in this garage, and a few of them. But anyway, that's all I have time for today. Feel free to give me a call or send me a text anytime. I'll be happy to help you out any way that I can. And feel free to stop by on Saturday anytime between 1:30 and 4:45. Thanks.